What's up, guys? You're watching Savage Garden. I'm Eric. This is a video I really didn't want to make, but this is part of growing, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys, especially if you're in Texas, you're in it with me. Let's just go show you my carrots. Okay, so as I'm walking over here, I just want to prep you guys and let you know that it's been over 100 degrees for over 2 weeks, 3 weeks straight. Shit, almost a whole month. Excuse the language, but that's pretty much one of the biggest things we've been dealing with here in Texas, Central Texas, North Texas. It's just been so hot that growing certain items, you really got to keep an eye on. And if you guys remember, we grew the carrots from seed. I keep saying the word grow, but in a second you're gonna see that that is a false statement. Wow, I'm in the shade like crazy. All right, so let's just go straight to it. Okay, so these, my friends, are my carrots. Look at all the plentiful carrots. Yes, so absolutely zero carrots. And it could be a multitude of different reasons, but what I think it is I didn't keep it watered well enough. So I was watering these carrots twice a day, just making sure that the seeds didn't go dry. But I had one little day where I went out of town with a friend and kind of forgot to tell Key to water the plants. That may have been the problem why they died. And it doesn't take much sometimes. And maybe it could have been just the seeds were bad. I have no idea. But now I'm in a sticky situation. I need to fill that with something. So I was thinking maybe radishes, something really quick so I can get some content out there, guys. If you know anything that you want to see me grow or try to grow, try being the big word, let me know. Comment it down below. It's just one of those updates I didn't want to make, but this is what we're looking like. So guys, I'm Eric Lee. This is Savage Garden, and it's kicking my butt. See you later.